Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony CDX-GT500 car radio receiver and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with this radio not connecting or not working, or if it seems to be frozen and not responding, any issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set the radio up again because it will be reset to its factory settings. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're putting this radio in a different car, or if you bought a used one or you're selling yours or something like that, for any reason like that, you might want to just kind of get a fresh start on it. We can go ahead and do that. It's real easy. Now you'll need a pen or pencil or paper clip or something to press the reset button. And to access the reset button, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the front panel off. So we're going to turn the radio off. Then we're going to come in here and we're going to press the open button here. This is going to fold down. We're going to shift it slightly to the right and then pull the left corner, bottom corner out, and the rest of it will come out. And then we're going to find the reset button, which on the back panel is right about here. You'll just take your pencil or your pen and you'll press it for a second or two and then release. And then you can go ahead and put the radio back in the same way we took it out. So put the right corner in, then put the left corner in, slide it to the left, flip it up, and you're done.